I'm the operations manager for Dreamspas. We've just installed this Wellis Jupiter, which is a 13 amp plug and play. This one has actually been put onto 32 amp, so the heater runs consistently with the pumps. We had a little bit of a difficulty bringing it in because the customer has put scaffolding up to make a ramp. The tub itself is an absolutely fantastic tub. Right, so the Jupiter being one of our best sellers, it's got music on it, it's got the 4-button, easy push-button control, lights, it's got everything you need. The hydrotherapy is actually set out in such a way that it does actually work as a hydrotherapy unit. We've got one lounger seat, and obviously then we've got the other 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 seats there that it makes it a very nice tub for the family.
My name is Kenneth Brewer from Merthyr Tydfil. Well, my Dreamspas delivered today, installed. Very happy with the service I got from start to finish. Laura in the office was very good, explained everything to me. So we decided on this model. She told us it'd be 6 weeks, and 6 weeks it was. Bought our tub. We originally had a swimming pool, and the hot weather came and we didn't want to build another swimming pool, so we thought we'd go for something smaller, so we decided on a hot tub.
At the moment we're filling it up. It's been an easy process for the customer from ordering to delivery, and I've got to be perfectly honest, the customer has been very grateful and is happy to see it in. So once the tub is actually full, we'll switch the water off, we'll check that everything is all right. It's already wired up ready. We've got to put the door on and the panels, and then the installers will go through a chemical chat, and they'll sit down with the customer, spend half hour or so with the customer explaining the chemicals, and then he will then show the customer exactly how to work the controls.